Hello, this is Steve, Home Standards. Today I'm at a house that's maybe 25 years old. This is the electrical socket. On an electrical socket, we look at a couple of things. First, we want to make sure that the OPPD safety key is present, because if that is missing, it could show that somebody was in there who was not a licensed electrician, or the licensed electrician forgot to put it on. Another thing we look at is the feeder pipe. Well, you'll see in this one, the feeder pipe is separated. There is a couple inches, inch and a half, they allow for this pipe to go down, and you can see it's literally pulled way out. So we now have water coming into this feeder pipe, which could very potentially go right into the panel down below, which I'll have to be looking at shortly. This is not an inexpensive repair. Often you are digging up the whole area around here to be able to pull that pipe back up where it needs to be.